Hey students, this is part 2 of exercise for Unit 8. We are exploring Acrobat DC or Acrobat Pro, either one, whatever one's installed on your machine. What we're going to do is we're going to open up those Acro docs that I provided for you in the part 2 section of JetNet. They might look something like this. Acrodoc single, Acrodoc multi. Under Unit 8 exercise part 2. Go ahead and open those up. Command O. I think I downloaded them earlier. Let's see if I have them in my downloads. There they are. Acrodoc multi. I think it has you opening this one up first. We'll go ahead and we'll say open. Here we go. We can close out that other one that we worked on earlier. And as you notice, each one of these, if you do a Control 0, it shows you page. Control 1 does it at 100%. Control 0 or Command, you know, that would be the Mac version. We're viewing the page so that it fits in our window. I go to 2, 3, 4, 5. So what you see is just a different color for each page. There are 5 total pages. We are going to extract these pages, and one way to do that is to go to the Tools, Organize Pages. We're going to extract, and you want to extract them as separate files. Go ahead and do Extract. And then save them where you remember. Now, if it's only selecting one, you want to make sure that you have all of them selected to extract pages as separate files. Extract. I'm going to save them to the desktop. Okay. And to figure out if you've done that correctly, we'll go ahead, open, and you can see Acro Multi 1, Multi 2, Multi 3, 4, and 5. Each one is a different color. That is showing you that you were able to extract each one of those files as separate files. We still are within the multi-doc, so we still have 5 pages in this PDF. So it does not break up the PDF. It just extracts each page as a separate PDF file and applies it. Okay. So the next thing we want to do is we're going to want to find that single Acrodoc _ single. We're going to do it right from Acrobat. And what we're going to do this time is, since we're right from Acrobat, we're going to go to Tools, we're going to go to Organize Pages, and we're going to insert. We've done this before on part 1, but we're just going to reinforce that same function. Insert from File, and we're going to find Acrodoc single. And this is a single page. We're going to select it, and we're going to insert it before the first page. Say OK. So now we have 6 pages, each one with a different color. Go ahead and close that, and we can go ahead and save. This is multi, so just go ahead and save right over the top. And then what you will submit all together is your multi-doc from part 1, as well as the Acrodoc multi from this. So you will have several pages all within a few PDFs. I would also like to see the InDesign, Illustrator, and Photoshop native documents that we worked with, and all of that will be listed in your instructions for this week's exercise. Good work. A lot of detail this exercise, these 2 parts, but through the videos, hopefully that helped you all kind of stay on track. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a great week.